to show you this adjustable ratchet wrench that just got here. It was sent to me for a review. I am really excited about this because it's an all-in-one tool. It comes with a complimentary pair of gloves, you know, when you're in those tight areas. Has a nice grip on it so you don't scuff up your knuckles. So this is an adjustable ratchet wrench. So you can just easily, even while you're on the nuts, you can close it tighter or open it tighter. There's a left or a right when you are adjusting. It has a rotating head, a reversible switch. It's made of chrome and it's steel ratcheting tool. It's heavy duty. Has an anti-slip handle. It has a portable hanging hole on it so you can hang it up. Good for home repairs. Plumbing is something I can have in my house or in my car and have it available for when I need it right then, real quick. It is nice and heavy duty. Has a 3-year warranty.